Hi and good evening everyone. So this video took me a long time to make and there are some issues going on with the technical team. So I was not able to give you the video in proper time. But I'm I think I should be sorry for that. I know there are many other channels who provide the video around 5 to 7. I have no issue in giving you the video around 5 to 7, but the प्रॉब्लम इज अगर मैं मेरे पास डेटा नहीं होगा या फिर जो एडवाइजरी से जो लाइक सेट ऑफ डेटाज होते हैं जिसको हम कहते हैं एरिया ऑफ सपोर्ट एंड एरिया ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस, वो अगर नहीं होगा तो मैं कैसे वीडियो बनाऊंगा। मैं तो ऐसा ही नहीं कह सकता कि ये यहाँ से गिर जाएगा या फिर उठ जाएगा यहाँ से। प्रिडिक्शन मास्टर तो मैं नहीं हूँ या फिर एस्ट्रोलॉजर भी नहीं हूँ। सो इट्स वेरी ऑब्वियस कि द डेटाज आई रिक्वायर द डेटा एंड उसके लिए टाइम लगता है। देर आर अदर मार्केट्स ऑल्सो एंड उस हिसाब से वो डेटा बनाया जाता है एंड यू हैव सीन द एक्यूरेसी ऑफ द डेटा। एक्चुअली इट्स ऑल अबाउट getting into the right trend. I mean, trade means the trend here. So when you get into the trend like uh, will bring you to the destination. You don't have to do anything else, because sometimes what happens is we take the wrong trend, that means the trade, and we end up in the wrong destination. So taking the right train is a very good thing, and it should be your habit of taking the right train. Yeah, sometimes actually what happens कि वो train वहाँ पर जाने वाला है, you know that, but नहीं जाता है. That's a different issue. That's called manipulation in the market. वो तो होता ही रहता है. It's a part of the game. इसीलिए कोई भी ट्रेडर का कर्व स्ट्रेट नहीं जाता है, वो जाता है ऊपर नीचे, फिर ऊपर नीचे ऐसे करके ऊपर की तरफ जाता है. Now this part of the video is about the trend of the market. Now trend, what is a trend? So trend is something where you find out that the momentum of the market in the direction, like जिस momentum की तरफ है उसको हम trend कहते हैं. Now according to the market of Nifty 50, अगर आप देखोगे तो it's very clear it's in a bearish trend. That doesn't mean कि कल सुबह उठ के ही मैं पीई खरीद लूंगा, ये ऐसे तो होने वाले नहीं है. You have to choose the right इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू ट्रेड. अगर निफ्टी कल नीचे की तरफ जाता है, यू हैव टू गेट इन द पी. अगर ऊपर की तरफ जाता है, दो इट इज अ बियरिश ट्रेंड, you have to take the C to make money. So let me show you, it's a clear downtrend. You can see here the fall, the size of the fall, it's big, and then it broke the day's low, that this one, and it came down, but it gave a closing actually above the day's low, so it's good for the market. It's a good sign actually. And as you can see here that this these are SMAs. Okay, if you don't know like how I use the SMAs, then please refer to my previous videos where I have shown you how to use the SMAs. So this is 200 SMA and it's clearly market is down of this SMA, so it's a clear downtrend. Now to confirm, this is the 20 SMA and this is the 50. So let me write it here. This is 50 and this is 20. So 20 SMA will, if it goes below 50, then it's a clear cut downtrend. Nobody can save you from a fall. Okay, market नीचे की तरफ और आएगा. Like it can come in this way also. It can come in straight in this way also. That depends on the market, how the market will fall, but it has to like 50 के नीचे 20 SMA को आना पड़ेगा, तभी वो ऐसा वो होगा. As you can see here, 50 ऊपर था, फिर 20, उसके बाद एकदम से नीचे की तरफ आ गया. So it was a clear fall. Okay, so the trend is very clear to us. We are in a downtrend. Okay, Now, talking about the market analysis and the prediction for tomorrow, but before going to that, I would like to like do some post analysis of the setup that we had, because मैं अपने चैनल पे, टेलीग्राम चैनल जो है वहाँ पर मैं देता हूँ ये जो सेटअप हम लोगों के पास प्रोवाइड किया जाता है, एंड उस सेटअप को हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं टू मेक मनी इन द मार्केट, समटाइम्स ऑल्सो टू मेक लॉस ऑल्सो, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द डे. So it's okay, but it is proven that it gives you a good profit. So in the morning मैं ये setup आपको दे देता हूँ in the telegram channel. If you have not joined the channel, please go and join it to get the setup and everything, every details. Now in the morning this was the setup. यहाँ पर I was not trading for a little bit. लास्ट 2 ट्रेडिंग सेशंस मैंने ट्रेड नहीं किए थे, लाइक आज का ट्रेडिंग सेशन और उसका पहला ऑन फ्राइडे को. तो मैं ऐसे ही लाइक बैठा था टिल 12:30, लेकिन 12:30 के बाद एक बहुत अच्छा मोमेंटम मिला मार्केट को ऑन द डाउन साइड, एज यू कैन सी हियर. 12:30 के बाद आया ये, एंड उसके बाद मार्केट एकदम से सपोर्ट को टच किया, उसके बाद और एक बाउंस, एंड बाउंस मतलब एक अच्छा बाउंस एरिया ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस की तरफ गया, उसके बाद और एक डाउनफॉल स्टार्टेड टिल दिस सपोर्ट अगेन, and then a little bit of bounce. So how you will trade using this setup? It's very clear. When this kind of candle you are seeing and breaking the area of resistance, make an entry here, right? So if you are making an entry here, what is your like, what is your thought process, like where do you want to cut the trade? Now, if you see that there are some lines, that this is a line, this is a line, this is a line, and this is a line. So when you are taking a trade from here, okay, what is your stop loss? Tell me. Your stop loss should be placed here. This is your stop loss. So this line indicates your stop loss, and like if it get hits, then you are out of the trade. That's for sure. This should be placed in the system. And when you are with the trend and the market is going to reward you, what is your target 1 and target 2s? Look, this is target 1, okay, and this is target 2. Now how you will trade? You will put a trade here, you will buy PE, and then straight you will get this fall till it hits your target 2, because this is area of support. I know that market will bounce from here. इतना करीब भी मत रखो कि लाइक ग्रीड में मत आ जाओ. इफ इट हिट्स टारगेट 1, मैं तो टारगेट 1 तक रखता हूँ, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. मैं टारगेट 2 तक वेट नहीं करता. तो इफ इट हिट्स टारगेट 1, आई एम आउट ऑफ द ट्रेड. आई विल नॉट लाइक, आई विल वेट फॉर सम अदर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. उसके बाद यू सी देयर वाज अ बाउंस, मतलब जब इसको टच किया देयर वाज अ बाउंस एंड इट वाज वेरी शार्प. सो यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू गेट इनटू सी, unfortunately. But if you miss the chance also, you if you want to make an entry again in PE, where do you think you will do it? Definitely in this position. See, if you are making an entry here, what is your stop loss? It's very obvious. This is your stop loss, right? This line is your stop loss. And if this line is your stop loss, what should be your target? Definitely this is my target. Look, if I had taken 2 trades, I would have been rewarded. This is so simple. Now, when the area of support is being touched, if you want to make an entry with CE, you want to make an entry here using CE. Definitely, you should do it. You are making an entry here, or you say here, it's better. So, you are making an entry here. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is your entry point. What is your stop loss? What do you think? This is my stop loss. Okay, so this is my stop loss. If it hits my stop loss, I'm out of the trade. Now, if this is your stop loss and this is your entry, what should be your target? Definitely this point. Now you see, if you are getting here 10 points, you are getting here 10 points, you are getting here 10 points. If you are having 750 quantities, how much you will make? Into 30. So it's near about 21,000. So this should be your setup, and this is how to use my setup. अगर आपको ये सेटअप लाइक कल के लिए चाहिए, देन प्लीज सर्च इन योर टेलीग्राम दिस चैनल नेम Shruti Advisory. Please see the spelling. You join there, and you enjoy the benefits of joining it. What are the benefits you are going to get? You will get sometimes some live intraday FNO calls on index. Our trading approach means this kind of setup. That means the trade setup. And your risk management will also be said. Some live updates of the market, and वो तो खबर रहता ही है, wherever the news is out, any kind of news, it will be posted there, which is of course of some knowledgeable, and some chart patterns, ये क्या होता है, वो क्या होता है, what is a bearish belt, what is a bullish belt, this kind of things you are going to get in the telegram. It's free of cost, my friend. Now there are some tricks, some edge. They say risk to reward ratio. They say it's an edge. So this will also be said to you, no matter what, during the market hours. Now, if you are very impressed with the services that we provide, then you can register with us, and by registering, you are going to get this kind of services. So this is the way you should trade in a market like this to make money. I showed you how to use my setup. I think you have understood. If not, please do contact me. Go to my Telegram channel. You will find. And these are the some of the trades that we took. We bought Edelweiss at 93 of 5,000 quantities. I think if you see Edelweiss now, it's 95.05. It has hit the upper circuit. What are the other trades? This is Equitas, my friend. Bought at 115. 2000 quantities. Equitas right now is 135. So these are the things that you are going to get when you are registering with the service, because इसके लिए मेहनत लगता है, इसके लिए बहुत मतलब कष्ट से बनाना पड़ता है. You have to understand the chart patterns, you have to do a lot of homework, a lot. It's not just about price action or support and resistance, और ये मार्केट गिर गया तो ये भी गिर जाएगा. भाई उसने मार्केट केम डाउन एंड इक्विटर्स एंड एडलवाइज बोथ वर ऑन द बाइंग जोन. दोनों ने अपर सर्किट को हिट किया, एंड वी वर देयर इन द ट्रेड. So you have to understand like whether we are bluffing or not. Please go to my Telegram channel, you will find out everything. Now let me talk about the market analysis and prediction for tomorrow. So I have with mine the setup that we share in the Telegram, but I am providing you today. What are my expectations? It's very obvious. Nifty should be range bound. I'm saying should be because to get a proper downside or upside, tomorrow is a very crucial day. And tomorrow it should be range bound and flat between the first resistance area and the first support area. I'm expecting a positive negative market for tomorrow. Now, what is this positive negative market? You will understand if you are in the group, or you will understand if you see my previous videos. Now, what are the possible support areas? 15,607 to 15,630 is the first support area. Second support area 15,520 to 15,537. Third support area 15,445 to 15,465. On the other hand, the possible resistance areas are 15,772 to 15,796. Second resistance area 15,231 to 15,251. Now you see this are two lines. If this two indicates resistances. Now which one should be resistance 2 and resistance 1? This is resistance 2. This is resistance 1. On the downside we have first support, then second support, then third support. In this way it has been arranged. So please do carefully watch it. So please just don't expect that you will be making 4 to 5% in a day. Just be realistic. You have to play the game for a longer period of time. It's not about just 1 month or 1 day or 2 months. Please be careful in your trades, and see you all in the Telegram channel, and if possible, register with us as quickly as possible to start a new trading life, because the vision is going to be changed, my friend. That's it, and good night. Take care of yourself and take small quantities always.